अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज मैं बहुत सी इजी और सिंपल सी मिल्क टॉफ़ी की रेसिपी बताऊंगी और ये बहुत इजी है। और जब मेरी मदर स्कूल जाती थी और ये खाती थी तो उनके हमने ट्राई किया कि रेप्लिकेट करें। तो अगर आपको इसकी रेसिपी देखनी है आप इस वीडियो को देखते रहें। Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my video. Today I have made a really simple milk toffee, and if you want to know the recipe, keep on watching. And my mother used to have this in school and we've tried to replicate the recipe, so keep on watching if you want to know the recipe. Here I have an A4 size of paper which I have lined inside my baking tray and coated with oil. This can be used as an alternative if you do not have baking paper. इधर मेरे पास एक A4 साइज पेपर को मैंने अपनी बेकिंग ट्रे में लाइन किया और फिर उसके ऊपर ऑयल लगाया। आप इसको बेकिंग पेपर की जगह अल्टरनेटिव की तरह यूज़ कर सकते हैं। 1 cup of condensed milk, 1 cup condensed milk, half cup of water, आधा कप पानी, 1 cup चीनी, 1 cup of sugar, half teaspoon of yellow food coloring, आधा teaspoon yellow food coloring, or 1 teaspoon vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 50 grams of butter or 50 grams makhan. Here I have my pan, but it's not preheated yet. इधर मेरे पास अपना pan है मगर अभी preheated नहीं है. First, I'm just gonna put all my ingredients into this except for my butter and mix them without putting them on stove yet. पहले मैं अपने सारी चीज़ें को इसमें mix करूँगी except butter, और इस पे mix करके फिर stove पे रखूँगी. Okay, I'm on my stove right now and I'm using a rubber spatula right now. मैं अभी अपने stove पे और इसको rubber spatula से कर रही हूँ. And right now, as you can see, it's starting to get thick, and जैसे आप देख सकते हैं अभी thick हो रहा है ये, and it's getting harder to mix this with a rubber spatula, and now it's getting harder to mix it with a rubber spatula. That is why I'm going to change to a wooden spoon, और इसलिए मैं एक wooden spoon के में इसको mix करूँगी अब. And I'm adding the butter as well now, और मैं इसमें a butter भी डाल रही हूँ अपना. You're using a non-sticking pan for this. आपको make sure करना है कि आप non-sticking pan use करें, or else it's all just going to stick to the pan and you really don't want that. वरना ये सब कुछ जैसे pan को stick हो जाएगा, and that's not you want it to be. As you can see, our mixture is brown and starting to get thick now. Just so this the brown or thick हो. And now I'm gonna put this into my tray. And now I'm just going to just go over the edges so it's easy for us to cut through it. And I'm going to let this sit out for around 10 to 15 minutes. और मैं इसको अभी बाहर रखूँगी for 10 to 15 minutes until it gets harder. Now it's been 10 to 15 minutes and it's starting to get hard, and at this stage you want to take it out before it starts sticking to the paper. अब 10 to 15 minutes हो गए और अब हम इसको निकालेंगे, और अब हम इसको निकाल रहे हैं क्योंकि फिर इसको stick होने लगेगा, and this is like the perfect time to take it out now. Overall it took us 30 minutes on low flame, and that gave the sugar time to dissolve and so it doesn't crystallize, and that's exactly how we want it. Okay, और अब हम इसको काट रहे हैं. हमने अपने मिक्सचर को 30 minutes लो फ्लेम पे डाला ताकि हमारी शुगर डिज़ोल्व हो जाए मगर crystallize नहीं हो. Your batter will also thicken, and it's a measurement that we had of 1 cup. It would divide by 4 and you'd have left with a 1/4 cup of that mixture. और ऐसे हमारा mixture जो 1 cup का था अब 1/4 cup का रह जाएगा. Now this is cut. We have a lot of pieces here. अब हमारा कट हो गया. बहुत सारे हमारे पास sugar की अपने toffee के pieces है. And overall, they already look amazing. And I'm just going to put them in my plate. And there you have it. Your milk toffee is ready. हमारी milk toffee हो गई तैयार. ये बहुत अच्छा लगी. This looks amazing, and you guys should definitely try this recipe. I can't wait to try it. And honestly, it looks amazing. Let's eat one. It's amazing. It simply just like dissolves in your mouth. ये आपके मुंह जैसे dissolve हो जाती है. Or with sweet taste आपके जैसे मुंह में रहता है. It's really good. The aftertaste is amazing. You guys should definitely try this recipe, and if you do, tell me in the comments down below and give this video a big thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos, and go follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Twitter. Bye! रेसिपी अच्छी लगी है मुझे नीचे जाके इस वीडियो को लाइक कर और मेरी वीडियो को लाइक सब्सक्राइब और शेयर कर और मुझे Instagram, Facebook, TikTok और Twitter पर फॉलो कर. Bye!